My question is, what can we do or say in response to people mocking the hijab?
If you are determined, if you are strong and staunch in your faith, then you should not bother what the people say. This is the commandment of Allah Ta'ala, that a woman should wear hijab. They should cover their head and bosom, right? And we have to follow those instructions if we are strong Muslims. So if people mock us, then don't care. Tell them, this is my personal choice, my personal view, and I have a right to do whatever I like. And this is my personal liking. And I am doing it because of my religious teachings, because of the commandment of the Sharia and the Holy Quran, which has been given by Allah Ta'ala in the Holy Quran. So, if you are determined and strong Ahmadi, then you will never bother whatever the people say. See, you can ask them, why don't you use hijab? Why you are doing immoral acts which you feel are moral, but I feel, according to my religious teaching, they are immoral. So if I don't object on your habits, then who you are to ask that why do I wear hijab?